Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a wig review on this unit that I got from LUVME Hair. This is my first time trying them out, and honestly I was super duper excited because I have been seeing them all over social media, and I know I haven't really been doing wig reviews, hair reviews, or any of that, so I was pretty excited to try it out. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the unboxing, everything that I got in the package. I'm going to show you what the hair looked like prior to me washing it, and then I'm going to show you me applying this unit, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get straight into the packaging. This is the box that your hair is going to come in, which is so cute. Little thank you note from the company. As well as a pamphlet. This pamphlet is going to tell you everything you need to know on a wig, shipping, returns, you know, exchanges, how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, all of that good stuff is going to be in this pamphlet. You get a wig cap, and then you get this cute little bag filled with goodies. I love stuff like this. So it comes with a tweezer inside, and it's a good one. You get an elastic band just in case you want to use it. If you don't, you can use it on something else. You also get an edge brush, which I absolutely love that they included that. You get some bobby pins just in case you want to style your wig up. You get a LUVME bobby pin as well, which is so cute on the side. It's a plain one. Then you get this silk wrap, and this will help you basically lay your wig down. And this is what the wig comes inside, a little bag. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the packaging. Okay, as you can see, it's a lace front. It has a few combs on the inside. As you can see, you get a good amount of parting space. It has 2 elastic bands already sewn in there, so you probably won't use the one that they put inside, and it has 3 combs. It has a little middle part, but you can always change that. That's just there. Okay, so doesn't it look really good? Really good. I was impressed. So right here, I already went in and I curled it. As you can see, it's dirty, and that's to show you that I really take this wig off every day and put it back on like it's nothing. Now look, I applied it to my head, and I literally don't have to do nothing, but I'm just going to add just a little bit of styling gel. And this one is actually from Got To Be Glued, but it's not the glue one, it's just styling gel. And I'm applying it to my already, you know, sculpted out edges, and I only did like 3 little quick ones, and then I have my own baby hairs out at the bottom. Okay, and look how flawless it just blends right into my hair. And this is the finished look. Okay, so that was the application, and as you can see, it was super duper easy and quick, and that is because I am someone who likes to throw my wigs on and go. I think that this hair is really good. I've actually been recommending it to my friends who have been hitting me up, asking me like what wig company I would recommend that is affordable. So I have been already recommending them because I've had this wig for about 2 months now, and I think I've worn it enough to give you a review. And this wig is really good. It's very soft. It has thickness to it from the top to the bottom. I did go and I added layers because I just wanted like a layered look, and I think it's really nice. Okay, and as you can see, I went shorter. I never go this short. I usually do like 26, 28, 30, those type of inches, but I wanted something a little natural, and I think it is a really good look. How do y'all feel about it? Okay, so yeah, this hair holds a curl. It definitely straightens. So what I do is I don't continue to run brushes or combs through my hair. I just finger comb. That way it'll preserve the curl a little longer. because if you use a brush or something, it's going to get a little bit frizzy and it's going to thicken up. It is getting hot outside, so of course, you know, with the weather and the humidity, you don't want to do that. So I just do finger combing, and I think it has been working out very, very nicely. So you can change the parting space. I really wanted a middle part, something very simple, because I haven't really been doing middle parts. I've been doing side parts like crazy. So or flip overs. So this is taking some getting used to for me. I know I used to do middle parts all the time, but I haven't done it in so long. But I really like the look. I really do. It's so natural, and it's so like just airy and pretty, and it's just a calm ass look. Like, it's calm, it's grown, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not doing too much. Like, every day this is perfect to me. The shipping didn't take a very long time. These wigs are affordable. You could part anywhere in the front, because this is like a lace front unit, and then the tracks are sewn down in the back. I think the adjustable straps are perfect. It literally just sits right on my head so well. As you could see when I was applying it, it was like real, like, you know, snug. That's the way you want to have it. I always get my wigs bigger, because it's easy to have it be bigger because you can adjust it. But if you have it too small, that's not gonna work. So I would always say size up one. And that's just what I do. I have a little head, however, I always go for either the average size, or I'll go for a large. Okay, so if I had to give this unit a rating from 0 to 10, I would definitely give it about a 8. I really like this unit. I would definitely recommend it. I don't really have any cons, to be honest with you. I haven't been experiencing a lot of shedding. I haven't been experiencing any tangling whatsoever. The only preference I would say is the length for me, and the density, because, you know, I like a really, really thick, but I did pick, you know, just the natural density. So this is a ready to wear wig stock unit, so there was no adjustments made to it. I just got one of the stock units, okay, because this is what you will be ordering. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions for me, you can post them down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.